If it reports that the waste ink tank level is high, at this point we can open the oil injection cap, and let the ink drain out. Place a waste liquid bucket underneath, or use a container for collecting recycled ink. We execute this tool. In the tool, there is a diagnostics option. Under diagnostics, go to the ink system, ink. That's not right. In diagnostics, scroll down and you'll find training. Here, there's a print head maintenance cleaning option. Click start. At this point, the ink line will be ejected. It will be ejected, but the recovery tank won't collect it. The ink will drip down, and in this way, the ink is discharged. This is essentially draining the ink from the mixing tank. When the machine no longer reports that the mixing tank level is too high, you can stop. That's when you can stop.